Hi, Matt Capell here. Hey, I just have another quick buying tip to consider when shopping for flooring. So on a lot of products like carpet and sheet good vinyl, things like that come in rolls, a lot of stores will price that by the square yard and a lot will price it by the square foot. And trust me, math's not my best thing, but one thing to keep in mind is just the conversion. Here at Capell Flooring, we happen to price those things by the square yard. And it's just important to remember if you're wanting to compare a price, like say something's, I don't know, $24 a square yard, right? And then I'll have people all the time that try to divide that by 3 to do a comparison. And I just want to, quick thing, a lot of people know this, but it's just 3 times 3. So there's 1 square yard, so it's 9 to 1, basically is what I'm getting at, okay? So just remember that. So like if you're at a store and it's $30 a square yard, don't divide it by 3. It's not $10 a foot, it's divided by 9. So that would be 3 and some change a square foot. So that's just a quick little buying tip. I know most of you know that, but I want to make sure that you're making an informed decision as a buyer and you're making sure you're doing that conversion right. Thanks so much. If you like things like that, please comment below, share it. Let me know what other things you'd like me to address, and I'll do it. Sounds good. Thanks so much.